Mexican president goes viral for claim that he has photo proof of a mythical woodland elf. It does not appear the Mexico president was joking in his Twitter post. Do you know about this?
No.
The president of Mexico is going viral after he posted a photo to social media that he said shows a mythical woodland elf of Mayan folklore. Everything is mystical, Mexican President Andres Manuel Lopez Obrador said in a Twitter post Saturday, accompanied by 2 photos, including one that the president says shows an alux. According to traditional Mayan belief, aluxes are small, mischievous creatures that inhabit forests and fields and are prone to playing tricks on people like hiding things. Some people leave small offerings to appease them. He ranked up 5 million views on his post. Well, where did he get this photo? Did he took this photo himself?
I'm guessing he took the photo because he claims that it's real. Or maybe like someone close.
That's quite a zoom in there.
Hey, that's so freaky.
So what are we actually looking at, Will? What do you think we're actually looking at there? Is it like an owl or something? Or is it like a tree? I mean, obviously every
is it
time.
A monkey?
Well, every time this happens, it has to be some like low-res pixelated thing, doesn't it?
Of course.
So then you and I have to examine it and be like, what are we actually looking at?
It looks like it has a red face, though.
Red? It doesn't look red. On my monitor, it doesn't look red at all.
Okay, yeah. Well.
On yours, it does?
A little bit.
We see like a hood, something that looks like a hood or hair, and then we see 2 white eyes. Very little light.
Do you see a body?
It's in a tree. I do feel like I kind of see an arm reaching out to the trunk of the tree, maybe. But that's us. We can see a man on the moon there. Well, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like we see, an elf or a witch. Oh, go to the full zoomed out CBS photo right there. Ooh, I kind of like this image.
That's not nothing, man.
Give me a visit. Like, I just want to see that one bigger, the one that you already have over there.
This one?
No, the one that you have there. Yeah, this one. Can I get that bigger? Mystical creature. Yeah. Give me this one. Right there.
That's the
loading. Let me get to the bottom of this here. This is the tweet, but now we have the more portrait. Oh, see, it looks like a leg. I like it. It looks cool, but...
Pretty convincing, huh?
Not convincing. I don't know, man. Oh, here, let's see what Twitter says. Readers added context they thought people might want to know. The first image is at least 2 years old and was not taken recently, as this tweet suggests.
But the president.
Twitter adding context. Articles from 2021 about it. Here, click on the article from 2021. Right there. Look at us. See, we go deeper. Give us a translate, if you don't mind. A Googler.
Here?
A Google Translate. Scroll up. It should be right at the top of the page. No? Yeah, there you go. USA. USA? Oh, never mind. That just took us to a different... You have to go back and then do that again.
This?
Whatever you clicked. No, you need to be...
We're dead.
You need Chrome to prompt you, basically.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Oh, wait. No, right here.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we got it. It's in English.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. A shocking image of the supposed witch has caused different reactions on social networks. Some say that it is indeed a strange creature. So this is posted 02/10/2021. So to be clear, this is a repost
viral
by the president, and it was viral at the time. An alleged witch was captured above a tree in the municipality
now
of
it's a witch?
General Terran, Nuevo Leon. The unusual image circulates on different social networks and has caused a stir among users. The presence of the supposed witch was captured by a man named Juan in a tree in a park located... After capturing the supposed witch, Juan did not hesitate to publish the image.
Oh, there's another one.
Whoa. The image shows a silhouette with a slim complexion, has a kind of turban on its head, and stares at the camera.
Ooh.
It didn't even have that much action. Look, that screenshot only had two retweets at the time.
20 hours ago, yeah.
I mean, you could create something like this. Will, like, get one of us climbing up there, really, really dark.
Wear a white wig.
Yeah, it's not impossible to just make something like this. But I don't.
Okay, this is the translated tweet here.
I share 2 photos of our supervision of the Mayan train works. One taken by an engineer 3 days ago, apparently from an Alex. Another by Diego Prieto of splendid pre-Hispanic sculpture. Everything is mystical. That's the tweet. That's the translation of the president's tweet.
Yeah.
So I share 2 photos. And he doesn't state that they're immediate, although the feeling is when you see it in a tweet that it's recent.
Yeah.
It's an interesting tweet from a president. I'll definitely agree to that.
Right? Okay.
I'll agree that it's an interesting tweet from a president.
All right. Last one.
That's what I'm willing to say on that.